Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Online in a simple and accurate way. To begin, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and head over to your dashboard. From there, click on the New button located at the top of the screen. This opens a menu where you can choose different types of transactions. For recording daily sales properly, you'll typically use the sales receipt or bank deposit option, depending on how you collect your sales. This ensures your income is recorded correctly rather than mixing it with unrelated transactions. Once you open the correct form, start by selecting the account where the money is going, such as your bank account or cash account. Then enter the date for the sales you are recording. Keeping dates accurate is important for proper reporting and reconciliation. Next, add the details of your sales. This includes selecting the income account, entering the total daily sales amount, and adding any notes if needed. Make sure everything is entered correctly before moving forward. Accuracy at this stage helps avoid issues later when reviewing reports or preparing taxes. After reviewing your entries, click Save and Close to record the transaction. Your daily sales will now be reflected in your financial reports. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.